Okay, we're in Coloane. It's nighttime. It's maybe 9:30 in the evening. So we're just gonna walk around, just kind of see what it's like at nighttime. It's also kind of interesting to see stuff in the evening as well. This is a kind of a cool place. So let's go check it out. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we have this nice waterfront. You can see, see, we got a full moon way up there as well. So let's kind of check stuff out. So we're gonna walk into the this kind of lit area because it's like a church in here, I think. Let's go check it out and see. Looks like a little quiet. Dos Amigos. But yeah, there's a full moon out, so that's kind of cool. Let's just kind of wander in a little bit, and we're gonna take a left, and we're gonna come back to the lake or ocean in a minute. So we'll just see what we can see. So yeah, it's kind of late in the evening, but it's cooler. The evening is cooler. All those are open. So this is the little village of Coloane. See what it looks like at nighttime. All that construction. More construction. Let's just walk through the construction then. You can see these cranes, I can anyways, at nighttime. Maybe it's a little bit harder to see. So anyways, Coloane is this tiny little village, and we're gonna go right into the heart so that you don't get bored in this little alley. In the alley time, this is a very small village, so looks like they set up lots of stuff here. This is what it's called. Rua dos Negociantes. This is the main plaza right here. There's a park in the center. Giant banyan trees. And we're gonna walk back to the ocean in a minute. We're gonna see some of this colonial looking building. Let's just kind of see. So that's the waterfront again, that way, that direction. Giant, massive banyan tree. That's our park right there. So we're gonna kind of stroll through here. So I got a place to work out right there. So that one is like a gym. So we're gonna kind of a cool building actually. Nice colonial building with a full moon up there. Across the way is Zhuhai. And I think what we're gonna do is just walk down that way a little bit, see what we can see. There's one little straight here. That's where they're going up there. Out there you can see a little pier. Oh, it's like actually that gym, it looks pretty big. So that gym looks like there's I can see people up on all 3 floors. They're all working out. So it's called Anytime Fitness Gym, 24/7. Huh. That's kind of cool. Let's get a little bit closer. Yeah, that gym is pretty cool. That it's open 24/7 like that. Okay. Yeah, I guess I never really come to Coloane at nighttime, but it's its own little world here. ATM machine. So I think this is kind of the main road that follows. It's a beautiful banyan tree. I don't know how well I can see it at nighttime, but there's another banyan tree. And there's kind of a little, there's a temple coming up, and then there's also like a little port where people, that was all lit up. I could see it from a distance. We're gonna see if we can get a little bit closer to that. So you're kind of getting a nighttime tour of Coloane. Over there is where the temple is at. Then look at this one. I don't know if you can see it at nighttime, but it's pretty decked out. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, it looks really cool. Tiny little houses. There's a temple over there, but it's nighttime, so. Okay, that's the one with all the lit up. Looks like over here they're playing mahjong. So let's just get. So yeah, they're all playing mahjong. You can hear all the clicking. And there's a temple right there, and the temple is also right here too. So I guess you can't really see it at nighttime, can you? You can kind of see it. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking. Looks like we could also go this way, but I think we're gonna try to go that way. And we're gonna see if we can bring the camera in that way, but I don't want to eat dinner, so I think this is the one that we saw. It's all lit up. Let's just see here. So yeah, they got Qingtao. Yeah, this is the one that's all lit up. Huh. I don't know if I can just, maybe I can just take a look. Huh. It's all parts of Coloane. Typhoon, flooding. Let's just see if we can take a look inside. Oh, karaoke. Let's see if we can just go out. Let's see. So this is what it looks like from here. It's pretty cool. So yeah, they got karaoke in here as well. So we're just gonna check it out. Lots of Qingtao and karaoke and eating and drinking. Let's see some pictures of Macau. Okay. So you get some fresh fish, do karaoke, drink Qingtao. Let's see what else we can see down here. So walk a little bit further down. Then we'll probably end it. But yeah, Coloane at nighttime. Whole other world. This is kind of cool too. I love this kind of stuff. A little shrine. And of course you got all the Portuguese tiles too. I'm just gonna walk just a little bit further because I keep seeing other cool stuff. Here's another restaurant. Probably a fish restaurant. And here we go down, here we are at Cais de Coloane Pier. Let's just see what we can see here. Looks like you can also drink Qingtao out here. And it looks like they also got like fishermen here. Looks like there's also a police booth, so I don't know if we can go out or not, but I think we will go out a little bit. So there's the full moon right there. Qingtao. I'm just gonna step out just a little ways. So yeah, it looks kind of cool. I'll just kind of show you what's all down here in a minute. But over there is University of Macau. So we're kind of walking out on this pier right now. There's some people that are fishing as well. So we're gonna go all the way out to the end, and then we'll show you the camera in a minute. We'll show you what's around as well. Okay, here we are at the end. Looks like, and this whole side is Zhuhai, China. There's a big ship right there too. I don't know if you can see it at nighttime very well, but yeah, that's Zhuhai, China, all the way there. This is the University of Macau, which has Macau jurisdiction. There's a tunnel that connects this with Macau, so this is all Macau jurisdiction. So that's University of Macau right there, and then over there is the financial center of Zhuhai, and then this is all Cotai, all Macau. So these are casinos, Broadway Casino. I think that's the Parisian. That's a Parisian casino. So anyway, so out here you can kind of see, and you got your full moon up there too. And then this is all Coloane village right here. So we'll also go and take a look over there too. So yeah, this is all Coloane village, which is all part of Macau. And then you have the full moon up there as well. So yeah, pretty cool. So that's what it looks like at nighttime. So we're gonna walk back in, and now you kind of get an idea of Coloane at nighttime. The full moon up there, and looks like there's something up. There's a hill right there. I'm not sure what that is. I actually don't really come to Coloane very often, so it's all a little bit new. But anyways, this is it says Pont Cage de Coloane, the house of pier, Coloane pier, basically. All right. So I guess we're just gonna end it up by this anchor. So now you get to see a little bit of Coloane at night. It's like a tiny little village that's part of Macau as well. Let's see. No, that's a police station right there. And here is an anchor that we're going to focus on. So it's going to be end of this video right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.